Good morning, guys. We're going to be doing a day in the life today. I am going to go to the gym. I have a couple errands to run. We're going to go to this farmer's market, and I have a few work tasks to do when I get home. So let's do that. Let's do my skincare real quick. I already ate breakfast. It was sausage and a hard-boiled egg, and also, of course, Alani. I always have some sort of caffeine in the morning, usually. I think my allergies are starting to act up, which is fun, but skincare. I don't wash my face in the morning because I notice it dries my face out a lot if I wash my face twice during the day, so I only wash it with soap and water or cleanser and water in the evening, and I use this hypochlorous acid spray in the morning. Okay guys, it's a little while later. I went to the gym. I did back day, and you'll see those clips before, and then I also used the tanning bed. Now my brother and I are running a couple errands, and then we're gonna go to the farmer's market. So let's go do that. Alright, hey guys. I just got done at the farmer's market. I didn't really record much in the farmer's market area because there were a lot of people around. But my brother and I got, he got a like biscotti from a little bakery, and then I got a Marionberry Danish from that bakery. And then we also got a bunch of kale from one of the little farms because I'm gonna use it in soup probably. And then we also got some goat cheese from the Salty Goat. They have farmstead cheese and things, and their website is www.thesaltygoat.farm. We had a sample of this and it was so good. So excited to have it at home. It has pasteurized goat milk, dill, chive, parsley, garlic, black pepper, lemon oil, sea salt, cultures, and vegetarian rennet. So excited to eat that. We're gonna stop at the little grocery store and grab some things that we need for dinner's coming up, and then we're gonna head home. Hey guys, it's a little while later. I'm working on dinner right now. I'm making creamy pesto chicken orzo. So I have a little bit of olive oil and garlic in the pan, and I let it cook till fragrant. The recipe also calls for shallot or onion, but I don't like that, and neither does my sister, so I usually omit that when we have dinners like this. Then I'm just going to toast up my chicken sausage and then add my orzo, let that cook with some chicken broth, and then I'll add a little bit of half and half and pesto, and then also Parmesan cheese too. Okay, dinner's ready and it looks really good.
Watch 12 Stray Smiths. Took a tour.
Okay, I just went to check the animals for the night and found a couple of presents from our chickens. Here it is. I'm gonna use the Bioma Bio Collagen Radiance Facial Mask. I really like this one. It's like a peel-off mask, so that will be fun. Get my little brushes out because I have a little facial brush, like for face masks, in my makeup brushes. The pack of makeup brushes that I recently got has one in there. So I don't want to do too thick of a layer because then it will take forever to dry. So I'm going to do like a very light layer. I did cleanse my face before this. I just didn't do that on camera. Forgot to. So I'm going to apply this and then come back, and then we'll peel it off together. Okay, mask is on, and I will come back when it's time to peel it off. Okay, I peeled off the mask, and here's what my face is looking like. Yeah, I just got out of the shower, but I wanted to show you guys my new camo sweats real quick. I got them from a boutique on TikTok called Kiss Me Cowboy Boutique. If they have a YouTube, I will tag them. If they don't, I will make sure to leave their TikTok link down below. But super cute, like them. They're comfortable. My lips feel really dry right now, so I usually don't start with lip balm, but I'm gonna go in with the coconut the Cocoa Kind Ceramide Lip Blur Balm because my lips feel very dry right now. I got the kitchen pretty well cleaned up, then I messed it up again because I made dinner, but oh well. Such is life, I guess. In the shower, I used the Cocoa Kind Milky Soft Face and Body Cleanser to wash my face. I didn't double cleanse today because I didn't wear any makeup, so. But next I'm going to use the Peach Slices Fix All Recovery Spray. Just helps soothe my skin. And then typically, depending on the product that I'm using, I'll use this little fan to dry my face between products. Because if I don't do that, it takes a really long time. For things to dry. Next, I'm going to use my Naturium Multi-Bright Milky Toner. It's a very milky consistency. Just rub that in all over my face. It has an azelaic acid derivative, licorice root extract, and a rice milk blend. Okay, now I'm going to use the Naturium Multi-Peptide Advanced Serum. Peptides really help repair your skin, give it that elasticity, so that's why I use this. Use my little fan again. Next, I'm going to use the Great Barrier Relief from Crave Beauty. It has tamanu oil in it, which really helps your skin barrier. Moisturizer, I'm going to use the Cocoa Kind Electrolyte Water Cream. It's just a really natural, lightweight moisturizer, but it helps lock in that moisture that your skin needs. And then I don't do this step every night, and especially in the summertime, it will probably get put on the back burner, but I am going to use this product tonight because my skin is feeling extra dry and crusty. This is the Bubble Software Barrier Restore Balm. It has one of those like grinder packaging like tops, I guess is how I would describe it, but it's a really, really thick barrier cream, and I use it on the nights where my skin is feeling extra dry. And most nights in the wintertime I've been using this because the winter makes my skin dry. I have combination skin, so I get pretty oily in my T-zone in the summer, and then my cheeks and chin get very dry in the winter. But like generally my T-zone is oily and cheeks and chin get dry. I notice more of one or the other depending on the season, but okay, that is my skincare for the night. I'm I'm going to do a little bit of journaling, and then I'm going to head off to bed. Thank you so much for watching my Sunday Reset video, and stay tuned for more videos like this.